Yes, my dear friends, in this lesson we will learn what an Arduino board is. Arduino is an easily programmable electronic board with digital, analog, and power pins. With Arduino, which is very popular today, we can control various sensors, motors, screens, or different electronic components. In particular, we focused on creating an interface for the Arduino board, unlike the Arduino programming information in the course content. However, in addition to giving information about interface creation in course, we also gave you information about how to use some electronic components. We will use the Arduino Uno model throughout the course. Of course, if you have a different Arduino model, you can follow the course with the model you have. So now let's continue with our other lessons.